Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. You go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Tapon app and we click. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then we go to Play Store. You will search about Tapon app. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.